Good morning, students. Welcome to 7th Maths class. In our last session, we have started problem set 14. Out of that, first question we have seen. Now we will see second. The HCF of this pair of number is not 1, and for that 4 options are given. Out of that, which pair is not having HCF 1, that we have to find. So just by checking options also we can tell answer for this. First pair is 13 and 17. So both are prime numbers. So there will not be any common factor. So their HCF will be 1. Second pair also contains 29 as a prime number. So here also they don't have any common factor. So this will not also come. Next is we will see last pair 14 and 15. These both numbers are never coming in any table because they are continuous numbers 14, 15. So they are co-prime. There is no common factor between them. So this will not also come. Third pair, if you will see, third option, it contains 40 and 20. So both are divisible by 2. Both are divisible by 5 also. So here common factors are possible. So this will be the answer for this question. Now next we will see find the HCF and LCM of given pairs. So first question is 14 and 28. So first we will find HCF. You can see both the numbers are divisible by 2. So we will take here 2. Below 14 what should be written? 14 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So here will be 7. 28. Below that what should be written? 28 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. First digit is 2. So 2 ones are 2. And second is 8. So 2 fours are 8. So here will be 14. Now if this both numbers you will see 7 is prime. So common factors 2 we can't take. So we will check for next numbers. 3 not possible. 5 not possible. Now for 7 we will check. 7 is divisible by 7 and 14 also. So for both numbers we can take 7 because we are going to find HCF and HCF only considers common factors. So here 7 we have to take. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14. Now after this just only these common factors are available. Here these both are. This is not prime, not composite, but 2 is prime. So here any common factor is not possible. So HCF is simply 2 into 7. That will be 14. Next is LCM we will see for both the numbers 14 and 28. For LCM common numbers also and prime factors also we are going to consider. So here again we can take 2. 2 sevens are 14 and 2 into 14 is 28. Again here we can take 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14. Now after this what we have to do? This multiplied by this. So LCM will be equal to 2 into 7 into 1 into 2. So LCM will be 28. Now I am going to solve third question 17, 102 and 170. For this we will choose vertical method for calculation of HCF and LCM. So for that we will write the factors of all numbers. 17 is a prime number, so it will be just 1 into 17. As 1 is not prime number, 17 will be equal to 17. Just we have to write 17. So it will be just 17. Second number is 102. For that we will start with 2 as at the unit place 2 is present. So 2 into what should be written here? that will be 102 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. First digit is 1. It is less than 2. So we have to take 2 digits. 1 0. This number is 10. So 2 5s are 10. And now remaining is just 2. So 2 ones are 2. So here will be 51. Now 2 is prime number as it is, right? For 51 now we will find factors. 5 plus 1, 6. So it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. So we have to take now next factor as 3. What should be written? 51 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. First digit is 5. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 21. So it will be 17. 3 sevens are 21. That's why 17. Now all numbers are prime numbers. Next is 170. So it will be, as it contains 0 at unit place, 2 we can take. 2 into 170 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. First 2 digits we have to take. It will be 17. So 2 8s are 16. 1 will remain. This is 10. 2 5s are 10. 85. Now it will be 2 as it is. For 85 now we have to find factors. It is not divisible by 2. Check for 3. 8 plus 5 13. No, not possible. So we will take 5. This number is divisible by 5. So we will take 5 into, what should be written? 85 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 3 will remain. 5 sevens are 35. It will be 17. So in this way 170 can be written as 2 into 5 into 70. Now HCF means only common factors we will consider from all numbers. So if you will see, first number is 17, second is 102 and last is 170. So out of these three numbers, common factor is just 17. So HCF will be 17. Now we will find LCM. While finding LCM, what we are going to do? We will take common and uncommon factors all. Just how many times common factors are repeated? For that all we will take one time. For example, 17 is common 3 times. So only one time we will take. LCM is equal to 17 into. Now what are the factors remaining? 2, 3. Here factor remaining are 2 and 3, and here 2 and 5. Out of this, 2 is again repeated in this both numbers. So for that also we will take only one time. Now what things are remaining? 3 and 5. So it will be 3 and 5. So its multiplication is 588. So LCM of these numbers will be 588. This multiplication is 510. So LCM will be 510. So from question number 2, I have solved first question and third question. Second, fourth and fifth will be homework for you. Next is find the LCM. For this, first, second, third, fourth will be homework. I am going to do fifth one because it contains 4 numbers. So how to do that we will see. This is also in the same way we are doing as we are doing for 3 numbers. Write all the numbers at the same time. We are going to use vertical method for this. If you will check unit place of all the numbers, they are 4 and 0. So these all numbers are divisible by 2. We can take 2 common for all. So below 24, what should be written? 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So here will be 12. Below 40, 2 into 20 is 40. 80, below that what should be written? 2 into 40. And below 120, 2 into 60. That's why it will be 120. Again, these all numbers are divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 into 10, 20. 2 into 20, it will be 40. And 2 into 30, it will be 60. Again, all numbers are divisible by 2. So, we will take again 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 2 into 10, 20. 2 into 15, 30. Now, for these three numbers 5, 10 and 15, we can take 5 as common factor. As 3 is not divisible by 5, write as it is 3. So, 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Again 2 is repeated 2 times. For that we will take 3 is repeated 2 times, so we will take 3. For that 3 1s are 3. 1 as it is, 2 as it is. Now 3 1s are 3. Now here all are prime numbers. We will stop. Now this multiplication and this multiplication will give us LCM. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 2 into 1. So 2 is repeated 1, 2, 3 and this one is 4. So 2 is repeated 4 times. What is remaining? 5, 3 and remaining are just ones. So 5 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. So multiplication of all this will be 240. So LCM of all these numbers is 240. Next question is, find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. So for that we have to find smallest. Whenever smallest one comes, what we are going to find? LCM. So we will find LCM of all these numbers. For that we will write all together. So we will find LCM of all these numbers. Out of all these numbers, 8, 10 and 20 are divisible by 2. So for them we can take 2 as a common factor. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 into 10, 20. Remaining numbers write as it is. Now again for 4 and 10 we can take 2 common. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Remaining again as it is. Now after this for 9 and 15 we can take 3. So write 2 as it is, 3 3s are 9, 5 as it is, 3 5s are 15. Again 5 as it is. Now for this 3 5s we can take 5. 2 as it is, 3 as it is, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So now multiplication of all this, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. So it will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. That multiplication will be 360. So this is the LCM for all these numbers. But whatever that number we are finding, that number gives the remainder of 5 every time when divided by all these numbers. So we have to add 5 in this number to get required number. So required number will be 360 plus 5, it will be 365. So after this remaining questions we will see in our next session.